Hi friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you change hotspot password on your Android phone. Let's begin. First, take your phone, open the settings page. After the settings page is open, scroll down slowly. You can find the connection or similar name. Tap to open this page. After that, scroll down again. This time you can find the mobile hotspot and tethering option. Tap on it. Then at the very top you can see the mobile hotspot option. Click to open the page. Here you can see various options. Scroll down slowly, locate the password option, tap on it. After the password page is open, simply erase your old password and type the new password if you want to set. I recommend you can make sure to type the strong password your hotspot. After you successfully type it, confirm by tapping the save button and automatically save it. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.